Good morning, Ojaswin. How are you? Today we are going to revise chapter 1 of To the Pasture. Pasture is a grassy land that animals graze on. So this story is written by Johanna Spyri, and in this book she has written about a girl, Heidi, who is an orphan girl. That means her parents died. So orphan is a person who don't have mother and father both. So as she was orphaned, she was sent to live in the Swiss Alps with her grandfather. So in this excerpt, Heidi has just arrived at her grandfather's home and is excitedly exploring her new surroundings. एक्सपर्ट का मतलब जो उसका लाइफ का एक छोटा सा पार्ट है. वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट दिस इन दिस स्टोरी. सो द स्टोरी बिगिंस. Heidi was awakened early next morning by a loud whistle. When she opened her eyes, she saw her little bed and the hay beside her covered in the golden sunlight. For a short while, she did not know where she was. But when she heard her grandfather's deep voice outside, she remembered how she had come up to the mountains the day before. She was delighted to find herself in her new home. She could hardly wait to see the goats again. Jumping out of the bed, she put on her clothes and ran outside. Peter was already waiting there with his flock. What is the meaning of flock? Flock is a group of domestic animals. So Peter was waiting with his domestic animals outside. "Do you want to go with him to the pasture?" asked the grandfather. So as she went outside, his grandfather asked him, "Do you want to go with him to the pasture? Do you want to go with the Peter?" "Yes," cried Heidi, clapping her hands. So as she was excited, she said yes and started clapping in excitement. So what his grandfather told him, "Go now and wash yourself first, or the sun will laugh at you if he sees how dirty you are." So his grandfather asked him to go and take a bath, and else the sun will laugh at you that you are so dirty. "Everything is ready for you," he added, pointing to the large tub of water that stood in the sun. So he has already done the arrangements for her bath there. So he asked him to go and take a bath. Heidi did as she was told. She washed and rubbed herself till her cheeks were glowing. So she took a bath. And while she was taking a bath, the grandfather called Peter to come into the hut and bring his bag along. In Peter's bag, he put a piece of bread and a slice of cheese. So what did the grandfather put in the bag of Peter? A piece of bread and a slice of cheese. "The little bowl goes in too," said the grandfather. For the little girl did not know how to drink straight from the goat the way you do. So what did the grandfather said? That Peter, you know how to drink straight from the goat, but the little girl Heidi don't know how to do that. So he also gave him a bowl. So what all he gave to Peter? A piece of bread, a slice of cheese, and a bowl. So what he said then? "She's going to stay with you all day. Therefore, milk 2 bowls full for her dinner." So he asked him to give her 2 bowls full for her dinner. Look out that she does not fall over the rocks. And he even asked him to take care of Heidi that she do not fall over the rocks. Heidi came running in. The sun cannot laugh at me now, she said. So, as she finished her bathing, she came out, and what did she say to her grandfather? That now the sun is not going to laugh at me as I am ready and I took the bath. So after listening that, her grandfather smilingly agreed. He also smilingly agreed that yes, you are right. When you come home tonight, you will have to go right inside the tub like a fish, for you will get all black feet running about with the goats. So what did his grandfather ask her to do? That as soon as you come back home, then you again have to go inside the tub like a fish, and you have to wash yourself because your feet will get black as you would be running about in the pasture with the goats. So once he said that, what did he say? Now off you go, means now you can leave. It was very beautiful on the mountain that morning. The night wind had blown all the clouds away, and the deep blue sky was there. The sun shone brilliantly. Brilliantly means brightly. The sun was shining brightly on the green pasture and on the flowers which were blooming everywhere. Blooming in Hindi we say khilna. So from bud to flower we say it's blooming. There were yellow and red primroses and dainty yellow rock roses. So there were different type of flowers. And what were they? Yellow and red primroses and dainty yellow rock roses. So what kind of primroses were there? Yellow and red. And what kind of rock roses were there? Dainty yellow rock roses. Heidi was wild with excitement and ran from side to side. She was very excited. She was very happy to come there. So she was running in excitement here and there. She quite forgot Peter and the goats and kept stopping to gather flowers and put them in her apron. So as she was very excited to explore this surrounding, this pasture, so she even forgot that she has come with Peter and the goats, and she kept stopping to gather flowers and put them in her apron. Apron is a protective garment which is worn over the clothes. So she was collecting the flowers and putting them in the apron. So the story is Off to the Pasture, and it is written by Johanna Spyri.